Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that we got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. How I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon with you too. Alright guys, so for today's video, y'all, it is going to be an unboxing that I have been meaning to do. But as you guys know, I'm an educator and my schedule have been hectic. But today I'm taking time to do this unboxing, y'all. So today we're going to be unboxing my new Crocs. Yay! Oh my god, y'all, my love for Crocs have grown. I never thought I would buy Crocs, but that's because I didn't know they had sandals. So y'all, I have been Crocs sandals crazy. So yes, we're gonna do a little unboxing on today. I'm gonna turn it this way, and I can't wait to show you guys my new Crocs. So with the Crocs unboxing today, we're gonna unbox some new charms that's gonna go with these new Crocs that we have. These new Crocs that we have, and I'm super excited because I love the gibbets and charms that I got to go specifically for these pairs. I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and start this unboxing. So as I told you guys, it's Crocs sandals, the Mega Crush. I have been in love with those Mega Crush sandals. They didn't have them at Crocs. I went to the Crocs store. They did not have these with the color because I already have pink and black in the Mega Crush Crocs. But these are, I'm going to show you guys. Maybe I can see. These are the bone color ones. They didn't have them in the store. They didn't have them online, but Zappos actually had them, so I ordered them from there. Alright, so I don't want the video to be long, so I'm going to just go ahead. I'm going to open it and unbox it and show you guys these Crocs that I have.
I'm super excited about it.
And here they go. Y'all see the bone colors? And yeah, to make it fresh, like I told you guys, the thicker heel, the platform heel. Alright, let's go ahead and open these further. Let's get them out there. Alright, we got one. Here they are. Y'all, look how cute these are. Natural color, bone color. They would probably go with anything I wear this summer. I'm super excited about these. And there y'all have it. We have our Crocs out. I just want to let you guys know I love these styles for so many reasons, y'all. I love Crocs, period. They really, truly are so comfortable. I'm not fond of the clogs, in which I said I was going to actually get my first pair just to get a pair, but I'm not fond of them. But anywho, this style, y'all, they are so comfortable. I have a black pair, and I also have a hot pink pair. So yeah, I'm excited about getting these today. So yeah, we unboxed the Crocs. Now we're gonna have to unbox the charms, the specific charms that I chose to go with these. So I can't wait to show you guys. So if you know me, you know that I absolutely love Chanel. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know these charms and gibbets that I have that I'm about to unbox are Chanel inspired. Alright, I have opened the envelope and y'all, here are the gibbets. Let's open them so you guys can see them. If you've been following if you've been following my Crocs journey, you know that I don't like to put like random charms and gibbets. I like to organize it to actually have some type of theme to it. Like I have an HBCU pair. Well, the recent ones that I just did with my student, one of my little favorite students, we put random pair in, but it still matched the well, no, because I got the same gibbets on both of them, so I guess I do like a theme. But it was just like random girly themes. And then the pink ones is like women empowerment. Then I have a YouTube pair. Then I have a name pair. and I got so many Crocs now. So yeah, you get what I'm saying. Like, I don't like to put random gibbets and charms on each one of my Crocs. Whatever charms and gibbets I put them on, both Crocs are gonna have the same thing on them, in the same theme. Like, it's gonna go together. But anywho, let's get into these new ones that I have. So I'm gonna just show you guys the charms and pairs. So I have these cute little flowers. Aren't those cute? Oh my god, that is too cute. I love pearls. Then let's get to the Chanel. Let's show these. Y'all, the Chanel No. 5 perfume bottles. Can y'all see those? Oh, look at the diamonds. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. These are so cute. So I have these. Alright, so now I have these cute little jewels. You know, Coco like to wear her jewelry. So I got these cute little jewels with pearls going around. And then I'm gonna just hold up 2 of these, but it's actually four of them. And they look like these. Super cute. Oh, look at those. That is so cute. Oh, they look, ooh, these gonna be so cute. And then they got these wrapped up, y'all. The ones that say Chanel. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, let me unwrap this one. And then I got these Chanel ones. Uh-oh. Let's hold it this way. There we go. Oh, so cute, so cute, so cute. So that was all the ones that came inside of this one. These specific sandals, y'all know they have 7 holes, and I like to fill all my holes if I can. So with the charms, it came with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Oh, did it go with 14? Wait a minute. Maybe I don't need an extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it came with 12, and it's 14 holes. So I already pulled out 2, because I keep gibbets everywhere. I have a bag full. I pulled out 2 gold ones that can go with it in hearts. That says angels. So I'm gonna add these to the design that we do on today. Alright, so we have unboxed the Crocs. We have unboxed the gibbets that's gonna go in the Crocs. So let's just go ahead and spend time and decorate the Crocs. So here we go. Alright, so we're gonna start with this one. And I'm gonna just decorate them. So y'all might see me just decorate them, and then I'll show you one how I did it, and then I'll do the other one and show you guys how they look together. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all, we got one shoe completed, and I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, guys, here is one shoe reveal. Here we go. Oh my god, that is so cute. Y'all, this is how the first shoe look. I put a heart, I put the Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle, the jewel, and then I have, remember I said I had 4 of these, so I'm gonna just put those in the back like this. And then you have the Chanel brand one, Chanel, and then the cute little flower. So that's the first shoe. Alright, so we're gonna do the second shoe. Now I'm gonna put these charms in. I might change the design just a little, maybe. But y'all get what I'm saying. It's gonna have the same charms, but the designs may not be in the same place. Let's see what I'm feeling right now. Alright, here goes. Alright guys, we have completed shoe number 2, and I am super duper excited about showing you guys. So this is how we did number 2. So we put the heart in the front. We brought the Chanel from the back up to the top. Brought the flower from the back up to the top. Sent the Chanel perfume bottle to the back. Sent the dual to the back. And of course, I told you guys I was going to keep those like that in the back since I had 4 of them. So let's see them together so y'all can see the difference in them. All right, and there you have it. Do y'all see the difference? Y'all see how I brought the flower and the Chanel to the front. The heart stayed the same. And then on this one, I sent the jewel back on that one. And then those 4 in the back that were the same, I kept them back there as the same. All right, y'all. I think we're going to try these shoes on so y'all can see how they look. I'm wearing these tomorrow. All right, guys. As promised, here are the shoes on. And y'all, I absolutely love them. They are so girly girl. I love Chanel. I'm inspired by her fashion that she has. I wear her fragrance. I have a few Chanel authentic pieces. So yeah, I just had to do it for the girly girls, the classy girls, the graceful girls. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing and this creation, Crocs creation that I made. Yeah, so please like, comment, subscribe, and share. As I told you guys in my community tab, I have 3 unboxing coming. This was number 1. That's the full video that I told you guys, and then it will be 2 more unboxing coming, but y'all, I'm not gonna make a full video for those. It will just be a short, so please support it, like the video, dislike the video if you don't like it, whatever the case may be. But y'all, make sure y'all view these videos. I'm super excited, and thank you guys for all your love and support. It does not go unnoticed. I'm so grateful for this platform. I absolutely love it, and y'all, more videos to come, period. It's summertime too, almost summertime. I was saying before the video cut off, baby, it's summertime and videos about to be coming through, okay? I'm about to be doing all kinds of random videos. They might be educational, they might be fashionable, they might be fun, there might be some connection with some friends, some collaborations, you just never know. All right, y'all, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!